Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going over my paycheck one for July's check. I actually get 3 checks in the month of July, and so I wanted to make sure that I do I have 3? I do. Awesome. I was curious. Okay. And so I actually am going to try to budget the first check and see how this actually goes. All my checks from GM Financial, I'm going to budget $2,200. I make more than $2,200, but if I just budget this amount, if some like emergency or something like that happens, or if payments that I had budgeted lower and they were more expensive, then I have coverage. So that is the reason. If y'all are into bill cash stuffing and paycheck budgeting, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment down below to say hello. But let me go ahead and get everything updated and filled out, and stay tuned. Alright, so that actually worked out pretty well. My handwriting is horrible, so if y'all are like not expecting chicken scratch, honey, I don't write pretty at all, ever. Alright, so for this, the amount that we're going to be putting towards rent is the other $700 that I needed to put on there, and I'm going to put 8.3. My phone is due on the 17th, and we're going to be putting 120 there. My credit card, I've already made my credit card payment, but I do want to send something there, so I'm going to go ahead and put 100. My subscriptions is going to get 100. I'm just going to go ahead and round up. Car insurance is going to get 200, and that's actually due on the 15th, and that's 200. And then for my loans, they're supposed to be due on the 15th, and that's a good $90. Fingerhut is getting 40. Internet is getting 100. And then electric is getting 100. And then the P.O. box is getting 40. So let's go ahead and calculate this up. So that comes out to 1,590. Okay, and then the cash envelopes. My cash envelopes, which I have not been stuffing, but I told myself with this check I was going to be able to. My categories are gas, groceries, eating out, shopping, coffee, and family. So for 2 weeks, I think $80 should be good. Groceries, 100. Eating out, 100. Shopping, I haven't really been shopping too much. Coffee, I'm going to say 60, and family, there's 4 of us, 80 is what I was thinking. Okay, so 80 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 60 plus 80 is 470. And then the rest, I was going to try to put everything towards debt. So it would be 2,200 minus 490 minus 470. So 140 is going to go towards debt. And okay, so my debt payments, I tried to put as much as I can towards it, and so for debt I'm going to go ahead and add the 140 for the 2 weeks. So this is going to be the payment for, this is going to be for July 1st. For the income source, it is 22. Expenses, we have 1590. Cash envelopes, we have 470. Additional savings, we have nothing. Sinking funds, nothing. And 140 for debt. I like the fact that there's a empty section right here. Put anything that you want right there. So if we are looking at this, it is zero based, but we shall see at the end of the month how what I actually spend this. Let's go ahead and stuff so that we can get this out of the way, because it's on my mind and I'm just like, I'm writing everything down, and I was like, I was everywhere at once. All right, so 4 brands should have only 700 in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're adding 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I actually got a placeholder out, which I should have got one of the placeholders that I actually sell in the Etsy shop, but I did not want to go and reach into that. So I have one in arm's length. So I pulled it out and I didn't want to use it. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1,004. My rent's like $12.50 I think a month, and I just overpay. It actually helps whenever things mess up, and it's just, they drive me nuts with how rent is. All right, and then I have 120 for phone. I'm gonna add. So we have 100, 200, 20, and 40, so 240. Credit card should have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 560. And this is for the, I was like, why does it have so much? It's for the regular credit card and then for my Capital One card. I was like, And so credit card is going to get 100. And I think I'm actually not going to put it towards credit card. I think I'm just going to put it towards the Capital One. So it's going to be 660 in here. Subscriptions is going to get 100. And it already has 70. So 170. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up so that whenever it's in the account, it could sit there and be taken out. And I know that I think it's like Hulu or Disney Plus. One of those has a Black Friday, and I plan on doing Black Friday for one of them to have a discount on the subscriptions. And then once I get it, I'm going to pay for it a year. So car insurance is going to get 120, and it has car insurance is going to get 200, and that's going to, and it already has 200. 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, $400 in car insurance. And car insurance, I'm actually adding more in car insurance because I am going to be doing the business insurance on my vehicle. So that's why that got up. Loans is going to get 90. So 50, 70, 90. And it has 50, 70, 90, 100. So we're adding 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So 190. And Fingerhut it has 40 and it's getting 40. I think I stuffed it with one of my side hustles, and now still adding the amount that's should have been added in here. So month ahead on them, internet is getting 100 and it has 90. So 150, 70, 90. So 190. Y'all know it don't take much to confuse me. Alright, and so electric has 60, adding 100, so it's 160. And then last is P.O. Box. It's getting 40. And it has 20 in there. P.O. Box I need to pay for a year, and I want to say it's next month or in August that I have to pay for 6 months again. So I think I paid in February or March. So I want to say the amount was $70 or $152. 71 or 152. Those are not even close to each other. But that's how much I am coming. The numbers are coming to my mind. I don't know. And I know I wasn't trying to get a larger box. So I don't know what that's about. But 20, 40, 50, 60 is in there now. And I'm pretty sure by the end of the month I can put another 100 in there. And then I am not going to do the cash envelopes with y'all today. And debt is getting 140. It's going to be the end of that, so it's $140. And my Transfer Tuesday envelope, which I want to change out. I'm going to put in here for my Transfer Tuesday because we're going to be hitting this up. We're going to be hitting it up a lot coming forward. So all right, that is the end of my. So I looked and I got 2, 4, 6, 9, 8, 6, and then that was the difference. And then for the rent, I actually paid 700, 120, 100, 100, 200, 90, 40, 100, 100, 40. So it was 1590. And then I haven't done that one. 140. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 9, 8, 6, 1590, 1, 4, and 0. All right. So that is it. I just wanted to make sure I stuffed this because I will be doing an unstuffing on the 15th. I need to make sure that I'm taking everything out of here and putting it in the correct account. So whenever the other accounts start taking the auto draft on some of them, I think the 15th is the day that it actually starts, or the 16th is the day that it starts taking it out. So I want to make sure that this is done on the 15th. Everything is moved over to the correct account on the 15th. I think I just kind of like have the money sitting there. But yeah. And don't forget the giveaways all month of July. I showed my giveaway at the beginning. The first week was Cynthia. Second week is going to be me. After I do mine, I'll be announcing my giveaway on Saturday, which is the day that she will be doing her second giveaway for the month. Make sure that you check her out. I'm going to subscribe to both me and her and to enter, and then the rules are going to be below every video in the month of July because the rules are not going to change. You do have to be subscribed to both channels. You have to be 18 years. It's going to be in the United States. We have the dates as for what the giveaway is going to be running and what is going to be giving the giveaway. It's going to be down in the description down below. And then also, if you want to communicate with us, we are Cynthia and Cassie J Creates on Instagram as well as on Etsy. So I'll go ahead and leave everything in the description and also on the screen. If y'all have any questions or concerns, if y'all are on a debt journey, be on the debt journey with me. Every Tuesday I'm doing Transfer Tuesday this month, and then also I am going to be showing you my side hustle cash stuffings. I know that side hustle stuffings, people are like stuffing thousands. I'm only stuffing like 100 or something, 200 maybe. It's not like a crazy amount, but I am still making sure that my every dollar is counted for, and I'm not going on this splurge that I am just dying to go on, okay? But if y'all are new here again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also comment down below and say hello. Bye guys. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye.